Welcome to Danny's Den. Today, we dive into the things nobody plans for, but everyone should. Love, parenting, sports, pop culture, and yes, the messy legal bits. Let's chat.
Picture this. It's Friday night. Kids at soccer, tempers flare, someone leaves. By Sunday, a text thread is circulating, and suddenly you worry you'll never see the kids the same way again. Then a protection order appears, or an arrest happens, and every late-night message becomes evidence. Your heart sinks. So what do you do in the first few days? That's what we're unpacking now. A calm, practical roadmap for the first 72 hours. Safety, plain documentation, protecting parenting time, handling police contact, and keeping small rituals so kids feel steady. This is general guidance, not legal advice.
Listen, safety is non-negotiable. If you or your kids are in immediate danger, call emergency services now. If you can't leave safely, identify a packed bag spot, a neighbor you trust, or contact a local domestic violence hotline. Advocates help with emergency orders and safe housing. Even when there's no visible violence, emotional escalation can be harmful for kids. Keep them away from conflict when possible. Okay, next, documentation. Start with facts, not feelings. Screenshots of texts, social posts, voicemails, photos of injuries or damage, medical records, school notes, save them. Write a short, dated timeline in plain sentences. Where you were, what happened, who else was there. Don't editorialize. Stick to names, times, and actions. Those simple lines matter more than you think.
Quick micro story. I once worked with a parent, Mark, whose fight ended with him missing Jamie's soccer game. The coach saw him storm out, wrote it down, and that short note later showed up in court. Little moments become records.
Who to tell first? One trusted adult, a friend or family member who can vouch for where you are. Your lawyer, if you have one, and a domestic violence advocate, if relevant. Call your child's school or daycare and briefly explain there may be a pickup change. Tell coaches about possible schedule shifts so routines stay consistent. And please, do not post. Social media is a public record, and judges see that. If you need to communicate with the other parent, keep it short, factual, and child-focused. No venting, no blame, no admissions. Here, I'll give you an example of a safe, evidence-friendly message you can send. I will pick up Jamie at 4:15 on Saturday. Simple, clear, child-centered. That's the kind of record that helps. I'll pick up Jamie at 4:15. If exchanges are tense, consider a neutral witness for pickups. A coach, a neighbor, a family member. Keep a secure calendar where you log pickups, drop-offs, appointments, and who was present. Save receipts and appointment notes. This paints a picture of stability judges look for. Now, if law enforcement gets involved, pause. Ask for an attorney and invoke your right to remain silent. Even casual comments after an arrest can be used in both criminal and family court. Bail rules change by location, so keep copies of arrest paperwork and any release conditions. Tell your attorney about custody arrangements and any existing court orders immediately. Here's a safety tip that trips people up. Avoid apologetic admissions in text. Saying, "I'm so sorry I lost it," can be framed later as evidence of instability. If you need to acknowledge something to your co-parent, keep it limited to logistics and the children's needs. Dating during a legal upheaval? Hold off on introductions. Background checks and slow, documented steps protect kids and protect your credibility. If a new partner must be in the picture, keep visits out of sight until things calm and you have clear documentation showing stability. Don't underestimate rituals. Game night, a bedtime song, that Saturday pancake routine, these are anchors. If one parent can't be there, video calls with the same playlist or keeping the same takeaway dinner helps kids feel seen. Judges notice continuity, so do kids. All right, a quick 30-second reset. Put a hand on your belly if that feels okay. Breathe in for 4. Hold for 2. Out
for 5. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Imagine a gentle melody. Tonight, if you need a tune, think of Lovely Day by Bill Withers playing quietly in the background. Small tools like this help you act clearly, not react.
Before we wrap, a compact checklist you can use right now. Say it aloud and keep it handy. 1. Safety first. 2. Document facts and save communications. 3. Keep messages about logistics and children only. 4. Preserve routines where possible. 5. Call a local attorney or advocate early. If this episode helped you, subscribe to Danni's Den for more courtroom smart parenting and relationship guidance. The show notes have a printable checklist you can use tonight. If you'd like a free 30-minute consult, email me at danielle@thelegalassistantcenter.net to request a time. Let's chat.
Thanks for being here. Stay safe, keep the little routines alive, and take things one clear step at a time. Catch you next week. Let's chat.